Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not.
It's a fresh. Check here, guys. Check the fruits here. Ala, oh, the watermelon here is
shake.
it's cheaper. Yeah, they have shake. Oh, yeah, they have orange. Ala, baby, oh, look at their line, babe. Lemon, avocado. Ala. This is the one that Dr. Nawayo said that is more healthy, no? Have a lot of mga fruits. Baby, look at your watermelon here. It's so big. Banana nila. Ha? Yeah. Get one. What is this? Orange, babe? This is orange? Huh?
Yeah.
Why there's no price? No price.
You got coconut, eh?
Yeah. Fruits there, guys. Mga harvest lang nila to, guys.
Huh?
They're all their harvest only.
Yeah.
Not farm harvest.
You got a mango.
Yeah, I know. 2 for 5 baby. Get the juice there. Order one. The one, no? Order one. We need to get this one, oh. This one. Get this one. Guava. Baby, get this one, oh. Get this one.
You want one?
Yeah.
Too big.
What is by pounds?
Maybe. Don't know.
Ayan tayo, guys, ngayon, guys. Sila may mga ano sila. What is it? The juice. Strawberry, blueberry, pineapple, banana. I want the, ano,
Look, they got that.
dragon fruit.
Mango, orange, pineapple,
That one na lang, oh.
kale, pineapple,
The number one,
papaya.
berry blast. Yeah.
Dami yung pequeño berry blast.
You don't have a card? Yeah, have a boko, guys. Mga harvest nila to, guys. Mga harvest nila. Looking for a
This is
plant
indoor, right?
store. Yeah, I know. We're looking for a plants. I like this one. Yeah. What's this one? See, baby, this is like the one in the house, like this one. Yeah. Hanap tayo ng ano, guys. Mabevele. Yung ating mabevele. This one is nice too. This one is nice too. This one. Ito ta, guys. Ito, payong-payong man eh. Nice. This one, this is the one that we have in the house, baby.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
The same one?
yeah, that's the one.
Like that?
Oh, this
It's just
one.
different kind.
Wala, this is Montera. Oh, how much this one?
What's that?
My boss, they have this one, big one. I don't know how much this one. Yeah, that's
That's the
like
whole
that
base.
Montera. Yan. Montera. Para ikot. Ha? The same price. Nice, oh. Wow.
Look at the little one too.
Huh?
You got little big one.
Yeah.
So
I like-
everything that's here
I
is
like-
for the shade,
I
right?
like this one, oh. This one. I don't know how much this one.
What about this one?
Mm.
It's too big.
This one is cute. Yeah, this one is cute too.
That's so cute too.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So all this in here is for shading.
Yeah, this is for indoor, I think. This is indoor. See, like the one that we have in the house, oh. See?
That's for the house too.
Yeah. Fortune. That's a fortune. Huh? I like this one. This one. Magkano kayo pa siya? Montera. Laki naman masyado. Ito kayo, yan ang gusto ko guys sa loob. Magkano kaya ito? Kaya yung isa. Ha?
You got more.
It's nice too.
I just asked her.
Yeah.
Everything.
Guys, nagpa-plant hunting kami. Plant
You
hunting.
have a coconut inside the house.
Coconut. This one, baby, we call this in the Philippines, baby, parpagayo.
Which one?
This one, oh, this one.
Oh,
My mom before. Ah,
that's for inside the house too.
no,
Yeah, she said under the tarp.
no, mostly, baby, this is like outside too.
My God, that
Baby.
gallito smell. Still my
Ay,
hand.
oh, hala, no? You can buy that, baby, and then you plant it in there.
Ah,
This one nga, oh. Want to buy this?
what kind of plant is that? Red.
I don't know. Yeah, it's different, no? Look at this one. So big.
Everything inside. She said everything that's under the thing is for.
It's cheaper here, imagine, no? $10 lang.
You got money? You could pay. I don't pay. I can't pay no more.
I'm not going here if I don't have money.
Ah.
Hala. Hala, baby, this is indoor, baby.
Yeah.
It's nice, no? Yeah, it's nice. Oh, hala, it's so green.
Yeah, but that's too big.
Yeah, it's small only.
But nice.
But look at the one, the bamboo that we have is big.
Look.
Look at the bamboo that we have in the house. It's big.
Wash my hand.
It's,
It's just
when I smell this one, it's like it's hungry. Nice. Yeah, but I like the one on the other side, baby. I don't like this one. This is so common.
Yeah, that's common. Yeah.
Yeah, can find that anywhere in the street. This one.